lovely people. It's good to see you again on another informative edition of Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina Owusu Asamoah. All right, so before we go on, you keep watching and enjoying the videos, but you've not subscribed. Why? Please do well to do so. Thank you. Well, today the words that we are going to be looking at are STAF, STAFF, and STUFF, STUFF. Confusing, right? You want to know the differences. Well, when we say staff, STAFF, okay, it's a group of people, all right, or a group of a group of personnel that are in a team, on a board working together for something. Okay, so we have a teaching staff, all right. We have the staff of a company, but when we say stuff, STUFF, it's simply maybe loose talk, unnecessary talk about something, or a number of objects or things. So you go to the market and then you buy stuff. You don't buy staff. All right. So those are the differences. STAFF is pronounced staff. It can also mean a rod, okay, a wooden rod for directing sheep on wherever they should go. And then STUFF is pronounced staff. Please don't get it mixed up, okay? It's Mixup Corner TV with me, Carolina Owusu Asamoah. Please drop your suggestions in the comment section and let's get interactive. Ta-ta, bye-bye.